Have you ever wondered how BMW's Brake Energy Regeneration system works? It's a remarkable piece of technology that's changing the game when it comes to efficiency and sustainability in driving. This innovative system recycles energy that would otherwise be lost during braking, transforming it into electrical power. The result? You get to enjoy an enhanced driving experience while doing your bit for the environment. Today, we're going to explore how this innovative system functions. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of BMW's Brake Energy Regeneration. So what exactly is Brake Energy Regeneration? Well, it's all about capturing and reusing energy that would otherwise be wasted. Picture this. Every time you hit the brakes, your car generates kinetic energy. In traditional systems, that energy dissipates as heat and is lost. But not with BMW's Brake Energy Regeneration. This ingenious system is designed to convert that kinetic energy into electrical power. That's right, your braking action actually generates power. This power is then used to recharge your car's battery, reducing the load on the alternator and saving fuel. It's a beautifully simple principle. Energy that would normally be lost is cleverly repurposed, contributing to the overall efficiency of your BMW. So, in essence, every time you brake, you're not just slowing down your car, you're also powering it up. This innovative system transforms kinetic energy into electrical power, recharging your battery while you drive. But how does this system work in a BMW vehicle? Let's delve into the mechanics of it all. When you tap the brake pedal of your BMW, the magic begins. The vehicle's kinetic energy, which would normally be lost as heat during braking, is harnessed instead. This energy is then converted into electrical power by the alternator. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. This electrical power doesn't just vanish into thin air. It's used to recharge your car's battery. This process is a seamless part of BMW's Efficient Dynamics suite of technologies designed to maximize efficiency and enhance the overall driving experience. So, while you're navigating the twists and turns of the road, your BMW is working behind the scenes, recycling energy and ensuring your drive is as efficient as possible. In essence, every time you brake, you're contributing to the power of your vehicle. The benefits of Brake Energy Regeneration extend beyond just energy efficiency. Picture this. Every time you brake, your BMW isn't just slowing down, it's actively capturing and reusing energy. This ingenious technology results in a significant reduction in fuel consumption. So you're not only driving smarter, you're also driving greener. But the benefits don't end there. This system also leads to an extended battery life. That's right, by capturing and reusing energy, your car's battery stays charged for a longer period, saving you the hassle of frequent battery replacements. And let's not forget about the driving experience. Smooth, seamless, and efficient, the Brake Energy Regeneration system is designed to enhance your drive, not interrupt it. You'll barely notice it's working in the background, quietly capturing energy every time you brake. So not only are you getting more from each drive, but you're also saving on fuel and maintenance costs. In conclusion, BMW's Brake Energy Regeneration system is a game changer. It's an innovation that transforms kinetic energy into electrical power, recharging your battery and enhancing your driving experience. It's part of the BMW Efficient Dynamics package, seamlessly working to conserve energy, reduce fuel consumption, and extend battery life. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising the open road, remember, every time you brake, your BMW is getting a power boost. Thank you for watching, and remember, every time you brake, your BMW is getting a power boost.